Hey guys, I'm gonna introduce you to our farm animal. This is where we feed them at, and this is where they live.
What is it? What are they called?
Chicken.
Chickens.
And that's where they drink.
That's where they drink. Yeah. Okay, what's next?
Pig.
Pigs are next? Okay, let's go meet the pigs. Who is this?
Wilbur.
Hey, Wilbur. Hi, Wilbur. And who is that back there?
Crispy and bacon.
Crispy and bacon. Crispy bacon. Oh, bacon. Yum, 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 yum. What are they eating? They eating some breakfast?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What's next?
Go. And dolphins.
Who is this? Who's this little guy?
Andrew. And that's
Drew. This is Drew.
yeah.
And this is
Duncan.
Duncan. Yeah. How did we get Duncan? How did we get her? Remember somebody brought her to the nativity and then we bought her? And then she's Duncan.